Okay, so magandang hapon mga umin na mahal ko. So last month, I asked a bunch of VTubers to give me their PNGs, and of course, I was gonna make like a tier list for huggable VTubers. So yeah, they gave me a bunch of PNGs, as y'all can see, and yeah, guess we should start. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're in the tier list now. See, as you can see, we have a bunch of pictures. I also added like Hololive, Hololive VTubers too. And yeah, let's start off with let's see. Let's start off with ImInu VTuber. Yeah. So wait, actually. We should change like we should change these sides. Let's see. So she's a puppy-made VTuber from Australia. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna add her on A tier. I kind of want to change like the names. Here we go. I'm gonna give you a big hug. Big hug. Yeah. Gotcha. Big hug. I don't know. Let's change the color. Yeah. Let's change it to pink. Nice. Okay. Next one. And also, there are no low tiers here. Everyone deserves a hug. Yeah, we should probably like add more tiers, like add row, add yeah. Like there are no like C or D tiers here or F tiers. There are no F tiers. Like E, C, and F. There's no C, D, and F. Okay, we're all wholesome here. Everyone deserves a hug. So next one is, let's see. Next one is Alan P. Turtleneck. So, okay, so their fur is fluffy, and I smell like scented marker. Ooh, scented markers. I see. Child's drawing come to life. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll put their links in the description. I need to remind myself to do that. I'm a child drawing snake. Okay, so it's a he. It's a he. It's a he. Okay, he or they. So since you are very fluffy, you're very comfy. Big hug is good, but comfy, man. Oh wait, actually, comfy goes here. Comfy. Yeah. I'll put him right here. Yeah. Let's go. I need to change this color. There. Hey, that's a bit too dark. Can we like have different colors? What? Other than this? Oh man, it's kind of too dark. Oh well. I'll put comfy. Yeah. Next one. Next one is IU Chi VTuber. So yeah, she kind of looks creepy at first, but yeah, she's pretty adorable. She's a murderous marshmallow. Whoa. She's a V streamer, VTuber. She's wholesome and chaotic at the same time. I mean, she's pretty creepy, but she still deserves a hug. So creepy but adorable, or adorably. There you go. Creepy but adorable. I'll put you right here. And here, red. I like red. Ah. Actually, instead of creepy, I'll put scary. It's slightly scary. Kinda cute, creepy aesthetic, yeah. Oh, hey! Let's move on to yeah, no one deserves these ranks, like right here. Everyone deserves a hug. Like up here, wait. Add a row below. Oh my goodness, I can't see that. No hugs. No hugs. Everyone deserves a hug. Everyone. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Or actually, I want to call this Hug Limbo. Hug Limbo. Yeah. That's right. Oh my goodness. Okay, next one. Next one. It's Basil. So she will pick flowers and take you to her garden. Okay, nice. She's a flower girl. She's a garden bunny. Bunny. I wanna. Okay. Here's a big hug. You deserve a big hug. Actually, change that. Big hug. Okay. Yes, you're a bunny. Deserve big hug. Okay. Next one. Oh, this one looks so cute. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yo. Wait a second. Where did this one go? Oh no. Oh wait, I found it. Okay. This is Cat Z. Cat Z. Aspiring Shiba goddess turned cafe owner. Ooh. Animal enthusiast. She loves hugs. Or oh, I can't really assume. Yay, they love receiving hugs. Yay. Oh, they have a halo. Okay. You go. Let's see. I need like another rank. I think because you're so chibi, I'm gonna add a row above. Let me. How do I move rows up like that? Okay. Oh my. Yeah, there you go. I added a row. Yes. You get all the hugs. You get all the hugs. All the hugs. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, Yuki. Yuki always bully me. Why you do this, Yuki? Why you call me onion? I'm not an onion. I am Omnium. I'm not an onion. Come on, Yuki. Okay. Yuki's a little bit scary, but Yuki is also pretty adorable. So yeah, you go in here, Yuki. You're a good person. I'll put chemo for this one. Oh no, because I put Matsuri in here, I think. Yeah, I put Matsuri. I'll put her there later. I'll put her there later. Ooh, okay, next one. Yo, you're definitely gonna go up here. Wait, yeah. All the hugs are big hugs. Borderline, all the hugs. Yeah, all the hugs. Wait, let me find them. Let me find them. It's Cloudy Pistachio. Okay, Cloudy Pistachio. Ooh, I like their design. Okay, their birthday is pretty close to mine. Wow. I like the green. I really like the green. Okay, so you deserve a really a big hug. All the hugs. Because it's so cute. And you're also, wait, is that boba? Yo, are you drinking boba right here? Like, you see that? Wait. Okay, okay. Yeah, you deserve all the hugs. Man, you deserve all the hugs. It's my boy. It's my boy. You know what? He's pretty chemo. No, just kidding. Wait. He's cultured. There you go. Instead of chemo, cultured. Wait. Hugs for the bros. Hugs for the bros, man. Add a row above. I keep on adding rows. Now there's so many. Wait, there you go. Hugs for the bros. Okay, hugs for the bros, man. This is Panda, Commander Panda. He's one of my friends in Foxjoe's Discord. And whatchamacallit, what is that called again? Level 1 scans, yeah, level 1 scans. He's amazing. Very cultured man. There you go. Hugs for the bros. All the bros need hugs, man. Male VTubers. We all need hugs, actually. What? All. Yeah, the bros get priority hugs, man. Come on. We all need them. We all need the hugs. Okay, next one. Who is the next one? Emmy. I've been told I'm a great hugger. Nice, nice. Ooh, they're gonna debut pretty soon, actually, on October 5th. Oh, okay. She's really cute, so I'm gonna put her in. Comfy hugs. Put her in comfy hugs. Okay. Next one is Evie. Evie, yo. Evie, you deserve all the hugs. Yeah. He's a vampire. Evie Labelle? Did I pronounce that right? Yeah. Virtual vampire. Evie Labelle. Yeah. She's just a vampire. You know? I just heard that. Boop! Oh my gosh. Yeah! Let's go! You deserve all the hugs, man. I keep on calling everyone man. It's okay. It's okay. Next one is Hazel. Hazel Ree, you get a big hug, Hazel Ree. Wait, let me find you. Hazel Ree. Hazel. Da-da-da. Okay. Yeah, she wants all the hugs. You deserve all the hugs. Come on. Here you go. All the hugs. A lot of people are gonna be on here. Yeah, you deserve all the hugs since you said you want all the hugs, so you get all the hugs. Maybe I could join your harem. No, just kidding. Wait, actually, I do want to join her harem. She has a harem. Hazelry has a harem. Wait, she's gonna debut tomorrow! This is recorded on September 18th. So, she's gonna debut like 19th. Dang. Oh my goodness. Yo, Hazel. Debut pretty soon. I can't wait for it, so I'm gonna probably check it out. I'm most likely gonna check it out. And yeah. Oh, this is Ishmaru Hanayo? Did I say that right? Ishmaru Hanayo? Okay. Ishmaru Hanayo. Because you're super sweet, and if you hug me up, I'd cry. I'd be so super happy. Dang. Part of Didals. Ooh, it's a VTuber group. That's interesting. Yo, wait, have they debuted yet? But you know what? You deserve a hug, man. Oh, I keep on doing that. Hey, you deserve a hug. So here you go. Here's a big hug. Yeah, you deserve a hug, man. Let's go. Oh, it's Kazuto. Kazuto Kurosawa. Kurosawa. Wait. Oh my goodness. I keep on mispronouncing things. Did I mispronounce it? I most likely have. Kazuto. He's a fellow Filipino VTuber. Or like, he's an upcoming Filipino VTuber. Kazuto. Where are you? Oh wait, yeah. Let's see, Kazuto. Kazuto. Kurosawa. Wait. Kurosawa. Wait, no, where's Kazuto? But yeah, Kazuto's the dude, man. He's another Filipino VTuber. Kazuto Kurosawa. Kurosawa. Okay. I'ma put you in hugs for the bros. All the bros need a hug, man. We all need it. We all need the hug. Cultured hugs. Wait, nah. I'm changing this to Chemo. Chemo. Everyone deserves a hug. So no one's here. Everyone deserves a hug. I'm gonna delete these 2 rows. Oh, frick. Frick. Ow. Yeah, bye. Yeah, let's go. Let me change this color to a bad color. Then Chemo should be that. There you go. So, all the hugs, I like blue. Wait. I like blue. Actually, no. Keep it as yellow. Keep it as yellow. Comfy should be yellow. This should be blue. Yeah. That's right. That's right, homie. Frick. Yeah, we're back. Okay. So, who is this one? This is Lin Lin. Okay, she's a lean, mean waifu machine. I like that. I like that. Lean, mean waifu machine. Oh, she's a manga artist. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, she has her own website. Oh, she sent the hugs. Okay. She's also a unicorn. No, it's a bit dangerous. It's comfy but dangerous. She's a unicorn. Comfy but dangerous. Sorry, I'm gonna have to put you right here because you have a horn and it's kinda scary. It might poke me. Comfy but slightly dangerous? Bit dangerous. Let's do that. Comfy but a bit dangerous. Oh no. No, not like this. Comfy but a bit dangerous. Let me put her there. She looks so cute though. But the horns! It's just the horns, man. It's literally the horns. Oh, it's my boy. It's my boy Kuro. She's a Kezza. She's a Kezza Kuro. It's my boy. Come on, man. He's gonna debut in 2022. So like in 2 years from now. And yeah. Pretty soon. I'll look forward to your debut, man. He's also a tag English VTuber too. So like Filipino VTuber. Tagalog VTuber. So yeah. Hugs for the bros, man. Hugs for the bros. This one is Maddie. Wait. No. Wait. What'd I do? What'd I do? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Oh, there you go. It's Maddie. She's huggable. Oh, whoa. Okay. March Hare of Wonderland. Makes art, sing, play games. She's also Filipina. Yay. Okay. Okay. You get big hug. You get a big hug. There you go. Actually, yeah, you get a big hug. You get a big hug! So yeah, it doesn't matter what tier you got, because everyone deserves a hug. Okay? Like, even if you're scary, you actually deserve to be, like, up here. Like, everyone's, like, way up here in the S tier. That's where everyone is actually at. Oh! Okay, next one is Milky. Milky VTuber. Milky Monesa? Or Mama Milky? Mama Milky? I'll just call him Milky Onesan. Milky Onesan. Da 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 da. Okay, she's a Okasa, a VTuber, planetarium guide, and a cosmic cow cat. So she's a cow and a cat. Okay, so you deserve the comfy role. Actually, are you dangerous? Nah, you're not dangerous. You deserve comfy. Comfy. There you go. Oh, it's Shosan. Shosan Rose. Man, so yeah, we did the speedrun collab, so he deserves a hug. Definitely. I'm gonna put you way up high. Yeah, virtual catboy companion. Oh, he's a Twitch affiliate. Oh man, that's insane. VCat. Cyberpunk cat. Okay, I'm gonna put you in the hugs for the bros. Oh snap. You know what? Bread is pretty dangerous, man. Like, I swear, if you eat so many bread, you can get drunk. It's possible. Search it up. But yeah, no. No. I'm gonna put him up here. Mr. Wheatbread? Mr. Wheatbread. He is bread. Tinapay. Tinapay, you go here. Tinapay kasi gutom na ako. No, just kidding. Yeah. Edible. There you go. You deserve to be up there, man. But yes, literally hugs for bros. But like, bread is edible. Sir Wheatbread. He's also a Filipino VTuber. He does Facebook. He does Facebook and YouTube, and he does a bunch of education streams, I think, on YouTube, and also games. I think he collabed with some people too. Dang. And freshly baked. Oh my god, I can't speak. Nah, you're not edible. You're not just edible. You're huggable enough to eat. Huggable enough to eat. Like, yeah. There you go. Okay. Nice. This person, his name is SRSLY? Trash. Seriously trash. But he's not trash. He's actually amazing. So you deserve a hug, man. Hugs for the bros. For bros. All the bros deserve hugs. See, this might be biased because all the bros, man. All the bros deserve hugs. Okay. Next one. Oh, she's a knight. Wait, is she a knight? She's a stray Neko. It's Stealth Ranger. VTuber. It looks like a knight. Oh, it's a cat. Stray Neko. Oh my goodness. Yo. Wait, has she debuted yet? Wait, I don't know. I don't know if she debuted yet. But yeah, Stealth Ranger VTuber. You deserve to be in Comfy but Dangerous. Because you're a stray Neko cat. Stray Neko, I'm a bit scared. A bit scared of cats. Not just kidding, no I'm not. But like, yeah. You look pretty cute. You're kawaii. Just don't kill me, please. Don't scratch me either, no. No, not like this. Okay. Next one. No, wait. This person didn't send me their PNG. So I can't really put you in here. I'm sorry. Okay, next person is Tanaki Kanikama. Okay. So it's a... Okay. So I'm gonna put you in... Okay, fluffy and short. Oh, I'll put you in comfy. Yeah. You're comfy. There you go. He deserves to be in here. Comfy. Next one is my boy Ishigami. Ishigami Chachi. Let's go. Come on, bro. I'm a tree hugger now. I'm officially a tree hugger. You know it. You know it. Sorry, Panda. Sorry, Commander Panda, but you deserve to be in here. Yeah. I'm a tree hugger now. There you go. You know I'm a tree hugger. Wait. Yuki's also a tree. No, you deserve to be in here. Nah, I'll put you back in here. I'm actually low-key scared of Yuki. I'm actually pretty scared of Yuki. Yuki might sink me, honestly. But yeah. Oh man, we're almost there in like the Hololive ones. Next one. Next person. Yeah, sorry if I haven't been doing this in a while. Like if I haven't like done this in a while. Like only now until like a month. I've just been busy recently, but that's okay. This is Triple Q VTuber. Oh yeah, if y'all haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe, and also follow these people. All of them. All of them deserve a hug. deserve some love. Give everyone some love, man. Give everyone some love. Okay. You deserve to be in a big hug. Yeah, big hug. Get a big hug. Yo, next one. It's Zetsuki. Zetsuki boy, Yoru Kwago. Yo, homie, you're my best homie. You deserve to be in here. Hugs for the bros, man. Hugs for the bros, you owl boy, man. Well, he's not really an owl boy, he's a monkey. Monkey. Woo! just kidding. Nah, he's an owl. He plays a lot of games, dang. He did a 12-hour stream once, and I think recently he did a 8-hour stream, which is... Oh my goodness. Playing Minecraft for 8 hours straight. I don't think even I can't do that. No. Okay. And also, he's a really good artist. So please follow him. Next one. Oh, it's the last one of the bunch. No, it's the last person in like the VTuber tier list I asked. The next one is Hololive, Holostars. The only one is Aruran Days. And yeah, Zetta, you definitely deserve a huge hug, man. Come on. Here's a big hug. Actually, you're pretty comfy. There you go. Yeah. Zetta's one of my friends in Kira's Discord. And they do a bunch of stuff too. Oh, they do music. Yo, music. Oh man, I actually wanna... Yeah, please check them out. Like, please check everyone out. I mean, y'all might have known Hololive already, but all these people, they deserve some love. Please go in the links in the description, follow them, subscribe to them, do whatever. Just be nice to them, give them love. They all deserve it. Yeah. Next one, it's Aruran Days. You Jisan, man, you deserve a huge hug. You go here. Aruran, the Italian man. Is he Italian? Wait, someone correct me, please. Someone correct me. Next one is Sivia. Sivia's a bit dangerous. You know why? Because she's a unicorn. She might poke me. Okay, Sivia? From Hololive China. See, look. She has that horn. She might poke. You know? Pokey pokey. You still need a hug though. See. Wait, this is the new one. Gargura, she's from Hololive English. Gargura, she's a shark. So yeah, from Hololive I chose like one from each generation, or kind of. I mean, there's like multiple generations in Holostars in China, but like I just chose one because I don't really know much about like Hololive China and Holostars either. Kanata deserves a big hug. She's cute. Kanata, yo, Kanata. No, Kanata deserves all the hugs. Yeah. She's an angel. Actually, she doesn't have her halo on here. No, not the picture. Kinda ruined the picture. No. Okay. Next one is Korone. Korone Inugami. Yubi. Okay. You're dangerous. Not just kidding, you're not. You're comfy? No. You deserve a big hug? Yes, you do. Well, you are comfy, yes. Yes, you are. Yes, okay. Are you a bro though? Is Korone a bro? Is this a question? Is this even— No! Huggable enough to eat! Wait. Wait, no, I didn't mean to make that joke. No, stop. Okay. Korone deserves all the hugs. Okay, next one is Lamy. She's a snow elf. A bit scary. No, she's not. A bit dangerous? No, she's not. She's pretty say-so. She's calm. So I put her in comfy. I guess. Let me change that. Comfy should be that. Comfy but a bit dangerous should be kind of orangey-ish. Scary but adorable should be here. Okay. Matsuri, sorry to put here, but you're pretty chemo. You still deserve a hug, Matsuri, but like you kind of need to be in this here. Like I'm gonna have to separate everyone else from Matsuri because Matsuri's Matsuri, you know? Like if y'all know Matsuri, like Natsuhi no Matsuri, just no. Hug Limbo. No, just kidding. Matsuri deserves up. Matsuri, you stay here. This is the jail. This is the jail. Okay? Chemo jail. This is chemo jail. There. Everyone deserves a hug. No one's in hug limbo. Okay? Aqua! Aqua's an onion! Yuki. You see this onion? She goes here. Huggable enough to eat. She's an onion. Come on, man. Aqua, Minato Aqua. Okay, next one is Muna. Muna is really hungry, so I'm scared of Muna. I'm actually pretty scared of Muna. Sorry, Muna, but you do deserve a hug though. Actually, wait. Now I'm debating it. I'm really debating it now. Does she go here or here? Muna. No, I'll put you right here. There you go. Lucia, come on. You are a bit dangerous, man. Actually, see, it's the same case for Muna too. Same case with Lucia and Muna. Like they're a bit debatable. Lucia is scary, kind of sometimes, or I don't know. They're kind of borderline. Like they're like in between these two. Oh frick! Hey, what happened? Oh frick! Freaky. You know what, Rusha, you go here. Gen 3. Okay. Last but not least is Suisei. Suisei deserves infinite hugs because I'm a Hoshiyomi. Let's see. Hugs for... Wait. S for Suisei. Let's go. S tier for Suisei. You go up here because you're good. Yeah. And that's basically it. And yeah, no one goes here because everyone deserves a hug. And yeah, it's all for fun, y'all. Don't take any offense to it, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please help everyone out. Like, help all of these fellow VTubers out. And yeah, see y'all in the next episode. And also, thank you everyone for sending your PNGs for this video. Also, I'm sorry if I didn't do it for a month now. Only done it now. But yeah, or almost a month now. But yeah, I've been sorry if I haven't been. I've been pushing it recently. Just been busy. But yeah, thank y'all so much. Otsumium.